Hello my friends, in today's episode on Grainificent, I will be showing you how to load and unload this Ricoh KR-10M film camera. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But before we get to it, I would like to announce the sponsor of today's episode, you. Whenever you support this channel, you are helping me grow this channel. Also, members get early access to all the videos I make. Of course, like in most cameras, you turn it to the back and there's a lock button here on the side. You have to press that and pull the tab down in order to open it up. If you just try to pull the tab down, it won't open. You have to press on it and push it down just like that. And when you open it up, this is the beautiful view you get. The automatic pickup spool, the DX code readers, the shutter. If you want to know more about this camera, watch the video about how to use it. And I got here, of course, like always, a used film spool for demonstration purposes. Put it in the back here. So the spool is upside down. That bit is pointing down, just like you see here. With the tongue on the lower portion here, you just pull the tongue, since this has an option for auto winding, you just pull it up to the green line. Just like that. You close the back and the camera winds automatically. If the camera's off, of course, it'll just wind it and disappear. You turn it on, and if you see this blinking, that means you didn't load your camera correctly. I wanted to show that later, but looks like I didn't load it correctly right away. That's no problem. You just open it right up. You either left too much film out or not far enough so it didn't grab on. So just test it, put it in further down there, close it, and now we are loaded into frame 1, just like that. And now we could take pictures. It reads the DX code automatically, so you just change your settings. If you want to change the DX code or anything like that, I will go further in depth about how to use the different settings here in the video about how to use this camera. And when shooting, when you get to the end of your roll, the camera will rewind automatically. Just like that. And when it gets to 0, of course, when it's finished rewinding, again, click the lock button over here and then press it down. And of course, I stopped mine earlier so it didn't roll in the entire roll, but yours will roll in when it finishes rewinding. All the film will be inside the cartridge. I stopped mine earlier. I don't advise doing that because it's kind of hard to stop this camera at the right moment to keep the leader out without wasting a few frames. In short, if you open the back while it's rewinding, it will stop rewinding automatically. Yours should rewind completely into the cartridge. You take the cartridge out, put a new one in, and you're ready for the next film. And of course, if you didn't put any film on here and it didn't load, nothing's gonna blink. Only if you put in film here, but load it incorrectly. If you would do something like that, only at that point you would have a blinking film roll here, that it's not loaded correctly. That, my friends, was how to load and unload this Ricoh KR-10M film camera. If you liked the video, please remember to hit the like button. If you like film photography related content, remember to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified whenever I post something new. Thank you for watching, my friends. Take care and see you in the next episode.